Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect a Spotify account from other devices. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Spotify on my computer and I'm going to show you how you can disconnect your Spotify from other devices. If you want to do that, we can go to the Spotify account. First of all, we can click on this profile icon and then we can select the account and it will bring us to the Spotify website. And here we just need to scroll down until we find the sign out everywhere. By clicking on this option, you will disconnect your Spotify from other devices. Okay, I'm just going to click on this option and here you can click on sign out everywhere. Okay, then here you can read the note. It can take up to 1 hour for sign out to take effect on the web player. Okay guys, and that's all the way to disconnect Spotify account from other devices. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!